In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own business card by using Canva software. Open your web browser and search for Canva. Head to the Canva homepage and make sure you're signed in to your account so your work auto-saves as you go. Once you're in, click the Create button. In the search or template options, choose Business Card. Canva's preset ensures the correct dimensions so you don't have to worry about sizing. Browse the available designs and select a style you like. After it opens, start customizing the colors. Click anywhere on the background, then use the color option that appears at the top. Scroll through the palette and pick a color that matches your brand. Aim for strong contrast so your text stays readable. Next, add your details. On the left toolbar, click Text and choose Add a text box. Type your name, then use the duplicate icon to quickly create a copy for your role or title. Resize and move your text to where it looks balanced. Canva's smart guides help you align elements neatly, which keeps everything looking professional. To add your logo, go to Uploads on the left, click Upload Files and wait for the file to finish uploading. Click the uploaded image to place it on the card, then resize and position it. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks best and sits cleanly over your color. You can also include your company name toward the bottom for emphasis. Now add contact icons to make the information easy to scan. Click Elements, search for icons like email, phone, or location, and select the ones that fit your style. Place each icon, resize it, and repeat the process for additional contact types. Add text beside each icon for your email address, phone number, website, or office location. Keep font sizes consistent so the card feels cohesive. If you want a double-sided card, click Add Page to create the back. You can change the background color again to complement the front. Upload the logo here too and type your company or business name to reinforce your branding. To refine the typography, click any text and adjust the font style, size, and color. Browse the font list to find a style that matches your brand's personality, use the plus or minus controls to fine-tune size, and tap the color control to set a clear, high-contrast text color. Limiting yourself to one or two fonts helps keep the design clean and professional. That's it! You've created a polished business card in Canva, complete with brand colors, logo, icons, and clear contact details.